Let's look at electrician salary in Tanzania. The average electrician income in Tanzania is around 2,000 US dollars a year. After tax, this drops to $1,670, which leaves you with roughly $139 each month in take-home pay. While that is the national average electrician pay, working in Dar es Salaam brings home around $1,980 after tax, but living costs in the big city are much higher, so that extra money often goes right back into rent and food. On top of location, experience plays a big role in electrician wages because entry-level workers start well below the average before their earnings go up quickly during the first few years. Early growth is fast, but pay plateaus unless you step into a supervisor role. On top of that, getting a university degree makes a huge difference since it helps you move into higher paying positions like electrical engineer or project manager. Finally, developing specialized technical skills helps you earn noticeably more than basic roles pay. That is how much does an electrician make in Tanzania.